Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 2, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is division. This is our lecture number 4. Today's topics are number 1, important terms of division. So beta, today I am going to explain important terms of division again, okay, and properties of division, simple division. So today we will learn these three topics, important terms of division which we can use in division, okay beta, and properties of division which are very useful, and simple division. So let's start. Yes beta, important terms used in division. So our first term is dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, dividend. Okay beta, so what is dividend? The number that is being divided. ठीक है, वो नंबर जिसे हमें डिवाइड करना है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, that number is called dividend. Okay beta. The next is divisor. So what is divisor beta? The number that divides another number. ठीक है, जिस नंबर की हम टेबल बोलते हैं, जितने लोगों में हम उस चीज को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, so the number that divides another number is called divisor. Okay. The next is quotient. What do you mean by quotient beta? The answer found by dividing one number by another. ठीक है, जो हमें आंसर मिलता है वो हमारा क्वोशिएंट होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज रिमाइंडर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिमाइंडर बेटा? व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग? REMAINDER. रिमाइंडर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रिमाइंडर? रिमाइंडर इज द लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग. ठीक है बेटा, जब हम कुछ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो अगर हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा, ठीक है, डिवाइड करने के बाद, तो हम बोलते हैं कि हमारा रिमाइंडर है 0. ठीक है, और अगर कुछ बच जाता है हमारे पास तो हम उसे लेफ्ट ओवर पार्ट बोलते हैं, यानी रिमाइंडर बोलते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स सी एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डू प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ division. Now the next is properties of division. So beta, our first property is division by 1. Okay, so when we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. ठीक है बेटा, जब हम किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो हमारा आंसर आता है, जो हमारा क्वोशिएंट आता है, वो वही नंबर होता है. ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ. Like 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8, 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. Okay, तो बेटा जैसे हम 8 की टेबल बोलते हैं तो 8 1s are 8 होता है, एंड ऐसे ही 6 1s are 6 होता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हम किसकी टेबल बोल रहे हैं? 1 की. तो 1 जब किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो वो हमें वही नंबर देता है, तो और जब वो डिवाइड होता है तो भी वो सेम नंबर देता है. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज डिवीजन बाय द नंबर itself. अब बेटा यहाँ पर हमें डिवाइड करना है, जो नंबर हमें गिवन है उसी नंबर से हमें उसे डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो व्हेन वी डिवाइड अ नंबर बाय द नंबर इटसेल्फ, द क्वोशिएंट इज ऑलवेज 1. जब हम उस नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो क्वोशिएंट आता है, जो रिजल्ट आता है, वो हमेशा 1 आता है. ओके बेटा, लाइक 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखो बेटा 8 1s are 8 होता है और यहाँ पर 6 1s are 6. Understood? The next one is dividing 0 by any number. Okay, यहाँ पर बेटा हमें डिवाइड करना है 0 को किसी भी नंबर से. So when 0 is divided by any number, ठीक है, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. तो हमारा जो quotient है वो हमेशा 0 आएगा, क्योंकि बेटा हमारे पास कुछ है ही नहीं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए, है ना. 0 जो है इसका मतलब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए. So if when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Like, for example, 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. Understood, beta? Now the next one is dividing any number by 0. अब हमें इसके अंदर बेटा डिवाइड करना है किसी भी नंबर को 0 से. So dividing any number by 0 is meaningless. ठीक है बेटा, जब हम किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं होता. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर 0 की टेबल तो है नहीं बेटा, तो हम उसको 0 से कैसे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? मीन्स हमें किसी को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ही नहीं करना है वो. Okay, so it cannot be defined. Okay, like 6 divided by 0 is equal to not defined and 9 divided by 0 is equal to not defined. Okay, now the next is activity of page number 34. Write the quotient of the given numbers. ठीक है बेटा, अब हमें quotient लिखना है given numbers का. और quotient क्या होता है बेटा? The answer. Okay, when we divide two numbers, the answer is the quotient. So let's see. We have to write here dividend, divisor and quotient. Okay, here in A part it is given 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. And here it is given 32 dividend, 4 is divisor. Now we have to write quotient. Okay, and what is quotient? मैम ने आपको बताया था बेटा कि this is the multiplication and this is division. Multiplication is the inverse of division. ठीक है, जब हम इसके प्रोडक्ट में से अगर एक नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें दूसरा नंबर मिलेगा. यहाँ पे डिविडेंड है हमारा 32 एंड here we are dividing it by 4. ठीक है, तो जब हम इसे 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, so what is the quotient? That is the number 8. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर है हमारा. Okay, so here we will write quotient is 8, or we have to speak the table of 4, then we can find out the quotient. So let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Okay, so 8 is the quotient. Okay, हम इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं बेटा, or we can write it from there also. Now in B part, it is given 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. Here 16 is dividend and divided it by 2. So we have to find out the quotient. अब यहाँ पर हमने 16 को 2 से डिवाइड किया है, so our answer should be 8, है ना. और 2 की टेबल में हमें पता है कि 16 कौन से नंबर पे आता है बेटा? 8. So here we will write 8. Now in C part, 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. We know that 36 is the dividend here and 6 is the divisor. So in table of 6, 36 will come at the number 6. Okay, and यहाँ पर भी देखो आप दोनों नंबर 6 है, तो यहाँ पर हमारा क्वोशंट भी क्या आ जाएगा? 6. Understood? Now in D part, it is given 9 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so 27 is the dividend and it is divided by 9. So what is the quotient now? अब यहाँ पे 27 को हमने 9 से डिवाइड किया है, तो our quotient should be 3. Okay, so here we will write 3. 9 की टेबल में 27 कौन से नंबर पे आता है बेटा? 3. Now in E part, it is given 6 multiplied by 9 is equal to 54. So here 54 is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. So what is the quotient? 9. Okay, so here we will write 9. Understood? Now in F part, it is given 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28. So here 28 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. So what is the quotient? That is the number 7. ठीक है बेटा? Understood? Now we will learn simple division. Divide 15 by 3 of page number 35. Okay, this is an example. Okay beta, so let's see what we have to do in simple division. First of all, we have to make a sign like this. Here one slipping line okay, and one curved line, okay, and here 15 is the dividend because हमें 15 को divide करना है and 3 is the divisor. So जो dividend होता है बेटा वो हम हमेशा बीच में रखते हैं, okay. So here we will write 15, okay, and what is 15? That is dividend. So here at the side we will write it dividend, okay. Now we have to write 3. 3 हम कहाँ रखते हैं बेटा? ये जो कर्व्ड लाइन है हमारी, कर्व जो हमने ये लाइन बनाई है इसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे हम लिखते हैं 3, ठीक है, एंड हियर 3 इज द डिवाइजर. सो डिवाइजर हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे ताकि हमें ये लर्न हो जाए, ओके बेटा. सो 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 3. Now we have to speak the table of 3. So let's start speaking table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. हमने 3 की टेबल कब तक बोलनी है बेटा? जब तक 15 नहीं आता है, ओके. तो हमने यहाँ पर बोला तो कौन से नंबर पे आ रहा है 15? पहले हम यहाँ 15 के नीचे 15 लिखेंगे और कौन से नंबर पे 15 आया? दैट इज एट नंबर 5. सो ये जो लाइन के ऊपर हम 5 लिखेंगे, ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू पुट द साइन ऑफ माइनस. यहाँ पर हम माइनस का साइन लगाएंगे और अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. नाउ 5 minus 5 and that is equal to 0, okay, and 1 minus 1 that is also equal to 0. So here what is our answer? That 5 is the quotient, ठीक है. यहाँ पर 5 हमने quotient निकाला है because this is the answer. और जो आंसर निकलता है by dividing two numbers that is called a quotient and the leftover part is called remainder. So here remainder is 0. तो यहाँ पर हम लिख देंगे remainder. And how we have to write its answer? Like quotient, Q for quotient, okay. So Q is 5 and R for remainder, R is 0. Understood? Now we will do questions of it. Now beta, in this divide and find the quotient and the remainder of page number 36. So here in A part, what is given? Divide 27 by 3. So here first of all we have to make the format of division like this, slipping line and curved line. Then we have to write 27 because 27 is the dividend. यहाँ बीच में हम लिखेंगे 27, okay, and here at the side we will write dividend. ठीक है, ये हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं बेटा? ताकि हमें ये लर्न करना है कि डिविडेंड कौन सा होता है, डिवाइजर कौन सा होता है, okay. So now we will write the divisor. Now the divisor is 3, so we will write here 3, okay, and this is the divisor. तो यहाँ साइड पे हम डिवाइजर लिख देंगे. Now we have to speak the table of 3. So let's start speaking table of 3. 3 की टेबल हमें कब तक बोलनी है? जब तक 27 नहीं आ जाता, ठीक है. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So here we will write 27 under it, okay, and 9 here because 9 is the quotient, okay. तो हम यहाँ पर 9 लिखेंगे. Now we have to subtract. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So write 0 here. And 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So write 0 here. Now 9 is the quotient, ठीक है. यहाँ पर हम लिख देंगे quotient and 0 is the remainder. So what is our answer? Answer we have to write Q for quotient is 9 and R for remainder, that is 0. Understood beta? Now in B part, it is given divide 25 by 5. So here 25 is the dividend. So first of all we will make a sign of division, okay, like this, slipping line and one curved line. Then 25 is the dividend. At the side we will write dividend. Now we have to write 5 and curved line के left side पे हम 5 लिखेंगे बेटा because this is the divisor. Here we will write divisor. Now we have to speak the table of 5. So let's start speaking table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So here we will write 25 under it. Okay, 25 के नीचे हम 25 लिखेंगे and 5 here. ठीक है, जहां हम आंसर ऊपर लिखते हैं बेटा 5. Now we have to put the sign of minus. Okay, now we will subtract. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So we'll write 0 here. And 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. So we'll write 0 here. Okay, now we will write 5 is the quotient. यहाँ पर हम quotient लिखेंगे and here 0 is the remainder. So we'll write remainder here. Now we have to write its answer. Q is 5 and R is 0. Q for quotient and R remainder. Now in next sum, C part divide 24 by 4. So here we will write 24. Here 24 is the dividend. So we'll write dividend here. And 4 is the divisor. So write divisor here. Okay. Now we have to speak the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So we'll write 24 under 24. Now 6 here we will write. Now we have to subtract it. So we will put sign of minus. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we'll write 0 here and 2 minus 2 is also equal to 0. Okay, so here 6 is the quotient. We will write here quotient and 0 is the remainder. So we'll write remainder here. Okay, now we have to write its answer. Here Q is 6 and R is 0. Okay. Now in D part, it is given divide 35 by 7. So first of all, we have to make the sign of this. Now 35, here 35 is the dividend. Okay, so we'll write 35 here. Then we have to write 7 and here 7 is the divisor. So we'll write divisor here. Okay, yeah. Now we have to speak the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So we will write 35 under 35. Okay, and here we will write 5 क्योंकि 7 की टेबल में 5 नंबर पे 35 आया बेटा. Okay, now we have to subtract. So we will put the sign of minus here. Okay, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, and 3 minus 3 is also equal to 0. So here 5 is the quotient. Okay, and 0 is the remainder. And our answer is Q5 and R 0. Okay. Now today's homework, beta, you have to do the sums in your notebook. ठीक है? Divide the following. Number 1, 21 divided by 3. 2, 48 divided by 6. 3, 45 divided by 9. 4, 90 divided by 10. And 5, 24 divided by 12. Okay, so beta, first of all you have to make proper format. ठीक है? और प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट बनाने के बाद आपने इन सम्स को उसी तरीके से करना है जैसे मैम ने आज आपको सिखाया है. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ द होमवर्क डिस्कशन ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 2 डिवीजन. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर homework solution of lecture number 3. Write the dividend, divisor and quotient of the given numbers. Okay, I had given you this work beta. So let's see how we have to do it. So here in A part it was given 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So here we have to write what is dividend, what is divisor and what is quotient. So here we are dividing 20. So this is the dividend. Okay, so dividend is 20 and 4 is the divisor here. Okay, so we will write divisor 4 and answer is 5, so quotient is 5. Okay beta. Now in B part, it was given 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So here what is dividend? That is 18. Okay, and 3 is the divisor. Okay, and 6 is the quotient. ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल सीधा सीधा हमें दिया हुआ है बेटा. 18 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor and 6 is the quotient. Now in C part, 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. So here 28 is the dividend. Okay, so we'll write dividend 28 and divisor is 7 and quotient is 4. Okay. Now in D part, 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6. It was given. So here what is dividend? That is 54. Okay, and 9 is the divisor here. So we'll write 9 as divisor and what is quotient? That is 6. Okay beta. Thank you.